Alright guys, you're welcome back after the video I dropped on how you can access my account. And in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching us how we can get a virtual dollar card, and I also recorded the video on how you can get 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤 virtual card, so we can just do the comparison and see the one that has a whole lot of benefits together, right? So now I am going to be linking under the description button of this video on how you can fund any virtual card at bank rate with 𝐻𝐻𝐷. With this website you'll be able to fund this 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤 app instead of you funding it at black market rate on the app. With 𝐻𝐻𝐷 is going to give you access to fund it with direct bank rate. Okay, so now this is my account. You just want to click on card here. We are going to be creating a USSD virtual card with 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤. So you can see that this is my NGN card, but I don't think I'm in need of this, because we all know that each of every one of us have a debit card. So you can see here I have NGN card here, and I also have USD card. So you click on this USD card here, and what you want to do, you can see that you can read their terms and condition here. So I've already read their terms and condition and you are okay with it. So what you want to do is to click on claim card, but before that time you must have fund your account with at least maximum of maybe 2,000 naira, because they are going to be, I think they are going to be charging you for this card, right? So now if you want to fund your account, you just come to home here, then you click on this wallet here. You click on wallet, and wallet will give you your automatically account number. But I want you to take note that if your account is not verified, you are not going to be given this account number. They might write it, but it's not going to be in full like this. Okay, so what you want to do is to copy out this account number here, then go to your bank to transfer. You can see that the account number is written, and the payment, the bank name is 9 Payment Service Bank, right? So let me head over to my bank now. For those of us that cannot even know how to do it, that's why I'm doing it. I would have funded this account before now. So now let me go to my, so this is the amount I wanted to transfer now, and the account has already confirmed my name. So make sure when you are doing this transaction that your name is being confirmed. So you click on next. Whichever bank you are transferring from, is very, very important you confirmed the name, so you won't be, the money won't be going to you can see that the payment has successfully been transferred. So let's head over to our cheaper cash to confirm if we receive this money. So after waiting for some period of time, you can see that my account is funded a some amount of 10,000 naira, right? So if you don't know how to fund your account, that is how to fund your NGN account wallet with cheaper. All right, so now let's proceed in creating our dollar virtual card, and we are going to be doing the price comparison as well. So now you come to my card here, as we did the other time, and you can see that they are telling us a simple instruction here that you must have a minimum of at least 2,000 naira for the NGN wallet, for the USD wallet, right, for the creation of the account. So don't forget we fund our account NGN with 10,000 naira. So what you want to do is to come to this USD card here, and once you read the terms and condition, what you want to do is to click on claim card now. So once you click on claim card, I told you that before that time you must have got your account created. So you can see that my means of identification is verified, my address is verified, and my phone number is verified. So you check in this box to accept their terms and condition. So what you want to do next is to click on next, and while we wait for this card to be created, and you can see right here that a brand new card just for you. So this simply means that we have successfully created our cheaper cash virtual card. So let's click on continue right here, and you can see that this is what we have right here. Before now, this card is not just being created, and you can see that presently right now we have created our 𝐶HPA USD virtual card. Now we need to proceed in funding this card. Now this is where we are going to be checking the rates, which it is very the one that is very okay when compared to the 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤 virtual card. So now let me just click on top up now, and let me fund the minimum of let me fund 8,000 naira and see what we are going to be getting. Okay, so they are telling me that if I'm to fund 8,000 naira right now, that I'm going to be getting $10.34. Now let's right now to divide this 8,000 naira divided by 10.34, and let's see their exchange rates and compare it to 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤. So now this is my calculator here. We want to fund 8,000 naira, right? Now let's divide it by 10.34, right? Let me check. Yes, I'm correct. So what do we have? All right, so this guys is selling their dollar for 773 naira. So $1 equivalent to $773 on this 𝐶HPA cash. Now anyways, should we proceed in just getting this done? Should we proceed? Should we fund this card, and maybe we should just test it, and we should see what we are going to be getting? Or do I need to fund this right now? Okay, so let me just click on add funds, and said I'm having insufficient funds. So definitely they've charged me for 2,000 naira for the account creation of this card. Let me refresh and see my balance. Let me see what I have. Let me come to my balance here and refresh this guy. All right, so automatically they've deducted 2,000 naira for the account creation. So let me just go ahead in funding my USSD card with let me say 8,000 naira. Okay, no, let me just fund with 5, or let me fund with 6, let me fund with 7. So all right, let me just fund with 7,000 naira and get $9.05. So let me click on add fund right here, and automatically right here you can see that we have added $9.05 to our account. So let me just click on done right here, and let's see. You can see that we have the current balance of $9 on our account. So this is a very simple way to create your 𝐶HPA cash virtual dollar account, and I believe this account is having a whole lot of benefits as well. So if you want to, like I said before now, that if you want to fund, there is a way you can fund this virtual dollar card direct at the direct exchange rate of 400 naira. So if you want to learn how to do that, you can link it. I'm going to be linking the video on how to get it done on fin.do under the description button of this video. So do well to watch it. Now let me go and test my card on my Google advert. So what I want to do now is to just copy this card number and go to my Google advert and pay the sum of amounts that I'm owing Facebook. So what I want to do is to click on show card now. So this is my Google, this is my Facebook ads, and you can see that I'm presently owing these guys, right? I'm presently owing them, and what I want to do is to click on settings here, then come to payment, and let me use my card to make a payment. You can see I'm owing them outstanding of 3,000 naira, and what I want to do is to click on pay now. Then I had a new payment. I click on add new payment, then click on next. Then the card of my card, and what I want to do is to click on, I need to save the card information. So I click on save here, and automatically Facebook, because this is the first time of having this bank account, this 𝐶HPA cash account. So what I want to do is to save this card. All right, So let me just save this card and wait for my network to save this card and trigger it. So you can see that this card has already been added to my account. Now I'm going to be paying the sum of amount of 3,000 naira. So I click on continue. So let me wait for this guy to trigger my account to make this payment. You can see that they are telling me that I've been charged, and you can see that this payment was successful. So if I have to click on done now, this ads account you are seeing here, you can see that everything has successfully been paid out. And you can see let me go back to my home page here and show you some things. So let me refresh now. You are going to see that this account is going to be active again. So you can see that we have active here. This account is active now and we are good to go. So with time now, this disabled account will just disappear. So what I want to do is to off this guy here. Let me off it. Then let me go ahead and off this guy as well. I don't want this advert to run again. So if you want me to run advert for you, if you want to learn how to run advert on Facebook as well, you can do what to reach me out on my Facebook, on my Instagram handle, on how to run a successful advert. I have the complete course on it. So you can see that this is an advert that I run for 6,400 and it reached 120 people. And this is another advert here that this lady just spent. I run an advert for a lady and she spent 2,000 naira and she got 59 clicks. All right, so this is another one here. I have a whole lot of them. This is another one here. I spent just 1,300 for 208 link clicks. So let me head over to. So all that haven't been said, you can see that I'm having a current balance of $1.68. So that is how you can create your cheaper cash account. And also that is how you can create your USSD virtual card for online international payments. So if you're having any questions in regarding of what I've lectured today, what you've seen today, you can drop it on the comment section of this video. I will definitely do well to check it out. So if you want to do your comparison with cheaper cash and 𝐶lasher app, you can do well to do your comparison in terms of the prices. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video.